In this video right here, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to change your profile icon on YouTube using your Android device. Let's get started. Hello guys, I'm Jenric Aquino, mobile tips and tricks. I'm a YouTuber who helps YouTubers specifically about mobile video creators. Now, if you are new here, then don't waste your time. Subscribe and click the bell to never miss a video that I upload. One of the most important things a YouTuber must have, and if they are serious about doing and creating content for people, is that they should also have a profile icon, a very attention-grabbing profile icon. Because without that, then people are not going to be interested in your content. Because your profile picture or profile icon, whichever you call it, appears in almost everywhere. It appears under your video, it appears when you comment on a video, and it also appears in your channel page, etc. So, you should also have a very good-looking profile icon. And for profile pictures, I suggest you make it in the aspect ratio of 1:1. So that's how you create your profile icon, and also some tips. But in this video right here, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to change your profile icon on YouTube using your Android device. Again, this is just going to be a fast and easy tutorial so that you guys will be able to follow along, and then you're gonna be able to do it right away. Now, what then I go to my Android device, and then I'm going to be showing you guys on how to do just that. Let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing you wanna do is go to Google Chrome. And then what you wanna do is go to the search bar, and what you wanna do is type in aboutme.google.com. And by the way, I'm going to be putting this link in the description box below of this video. After watching this video, you can go ahead and click on that link, and then there you can change your profile icon. So let's go to aboutme.google.com, and it's actually going to land you on this interface. You can edit your name, your profile icon, etc. What you want to do is press on this pencil icon or edit icon right here. Press on that, and you can change your name, your nickname, and other stuff. What you want to do is go to this camera button right here that's on the center. Press on that. You have an option where you can upload a photo from your gallery, or you can choose a photo that you already uploaded to Google. So I'm just going to be picking this subscribe icon right here, and it gives you the option to crop. So I'm just going to crop right here, there. And what you want to do is press on done right here in the top right corner of the screen. Press on done, and it's actually saving. So after you change this, it's gonna tell you that the profile picture updated. It will take some time for changes to appear everywhere, which means now that since you already changed this, and if you go to YouTube and check it, it's not yet changed, then it might take a while before it's actually changed. So that's just kind of like information that Google's giving us. Now, as you can see, we updated our profile icon. So let's go to YouTube and actually check it. Okay guys, so what you want to do is go to the YouTube app, and what you want to do is go to your channel page, and let's see if it really changed the profile icon. And as you can see, it did change our profile icon. Now, if you check this on your channel and it's not yet changed, then what you want to do is wait for a little bit and then go back to your channel again and then see if it changed. So that's how you change your profile icon on YouTube using your Android device. And that's how you change your profile icon on YouTube using your Android device. If you found someone else is struggling on how to change their profile icon on YouTube using their Android device, then why don't you share it with him or her? If you really like this video, then why don't you give a thumbs up? If you have any suggestions for my mobile content creator videos, then why don't you leave them in the comment section below? And also guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe icon right here, and also by clicking that bell in order for you to stay updated to my mobile content creator videos. And also guys, I'm going to be putting some links right here to some videos that I already posted or you might enjoy. And as always, Have fun creating, and I'll see you next time.